So it's time for the first Cars and Coffee of the year. So I'm just gonna get a cold start and we'll be off to that event. See how many people turn up. Fires up right away, no problem. Got a decent turnout so far. We got a few early people on this wall, and we're starting to fill up the parking lot. First new M4 I've seen in person. I like the grill. Nice touch on the wing.
I want to tell him how I have for sure.
Well, I have the BMW back in the garage. I know I didn't get too much footage from this Cars and Coffee. It turned out to be a pretty good event, and you know, when people aren't doing burble tunes or trying to see how loud their exhausts are, the businesses kind of leave you alone. So we had that Cars and Coffee last pretty long. Good turnout, I think. Some cool cars. Hopefully there's some more cool events coming up in the near future as things start to warm up.